Although I don't recommend Chrome, I will show you how to make sure that things are updating. First thing is, Chrome does automatically update everything automatically. So you have to actually switch things off to stop it from automatically updating. Now, the browser itself auto-updates. There's only one nuance, and that's to extensions. So Chrome extensions do auto-update, so long as the extension has an auto-update URL specified in its manifest. All extensions in the Chrome Web Store and the extensions gallery get this field set automatically. If you want to force Chrome to check for updates, then you need to go here, Help and About Google Chrome, and then it'll do its check here, and you'll see that this is up to date. If it's not, it will download and update. Now for extensions, you need to click on Developer Mode and Update Extensions Now. These will automatically update anyway, but this forces it to update.